Guys, just a short video. I hope it will be short, about M25 to 1.5 cable glands. So in case if you probably maybe have similar application like mine, in my case I need to go in and out from in this switching box with cable lugs, and this is the biggest one, 25 cable and 10 nut, and it doesn't fit every M25 cable gland. So and there are only basically few models that you can find. I bought different on Mauser and on some other place. So about other place, for example, this Chinese R&D version that will fit this cable gland. But if we talk about Mauser, then we have this part. It comes without nut and without sealing, so it will fit. Yeah, so it goes through fine. Another one is this one. It comes with the nut. I don't have it. I wrote it's borrowed, and that's it. However, guys, the cable is not 13. The cable is 10 millimeters. So what then? What then? So you have this sealing inside. So this sealing, you don't seal well 10 millimeters if 13 is the minimum. You can find some solutions like that on Amazon or eBay. It's quite difficult to find, but you can, and you should find something that will match this diameter, outside diameter. Yeah. Now important point. Then you cut away this part and you have a ring. I applied it there. Let me try to show you. Yeah, like this way. So the important part in this process, that you should find the ring exactly the same diameter, because it should sit on that bed as you see there. If it doesn't sit there, you will have all the problems to fix it. So it will go away on the cable there. So you have to find exactly the same diameter, then cut and get like that option. Then you can seal the cable even 5 millimeter diameter. And now about here, I want to go from shunt with M6, and cable is 8 millimeters. The cable is from the outboard, this one. So 16 to 6 is that one. It will go to any of them. Yeah. So in that case, you can use this part number, or this one, or this one. Yeah. Well, you have option also WISKA, whiskey. Yeah. So that is the black one, Sprint model, where it is written. It's not that one. No, it's Chinese. Okay, well, I used it here. Yeah. From 10 to 17. But if you want the cable 8 millimeters, again, you should use something like that. Guys, that's basically all what I wanted to tell in this video. If you found something interesting, then like, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.